Wides to both sides. Reagan Rodriguez on the near side. Cheney Ballman wide at the top of the screen. Slot receiver as well. Salas in trouble. Salas gonna run. He has some room. Salas makes a move. 35-30. Here goes Salas.
Oh, my
20,
goodness.
15. He's at the 10. He's gonna score. Oh, me. 42 yards to junior Alex Salas.
Well, I don't know.
And the Blizzards are on the board. Or did they stop him before he got in?
I think he got in the end zone. I don't know if we're allowed to. That's like an ESPN top 10 play right here. You see Salas just basically juking around out there. He laterals a man. You're going to see that right there.
He hurdled him.
And my goodness, he was gone. Big time play that they were needing on a big conversion.